Ever wondered how a tiny, lifeless egg transforms into this delicate marvel of nature? From hidden beginnings to breathtaking flights, the butterfly's journey is a story of transformation, resilience, and beauty. Join me as I uncover the magic of the butterfly's incredible life cycle, right here, right now. The life cycle of a butterfly is a tale of transformation and wonder, a process so intricate that it feels almost magical. Butterflies, one of nature's most delicate and beautiful creatures, undergo 4 distinct stages in their development: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage is essential to their growth, and together they form a journey of survival, adaptation, and metamorphosis. Stage 1. The egg. It all begins with the egg. Female butterflies are meticulous when it comes to choosing where to lay their eggs, often selecting specific host plants to ensure their offspring have the best chance of survival. These eggs, no larger than pinheads, can be round, oval, or cylindrical, depending on the butterfly species. Despite their size, each egg contains all the genetic material required for the future butterfly, a blueprint for an extraordinary transformation. Typically, the egg stage lasts anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on environmental conditions and the species. Inside, the larva slowly develops, ready to emerge into the world. Stage 2. The larva, caterpillar. When the egg hatches, a tiny caterpillar emerges. This is the larva stage, and it is defined by one primary mission: eating. The caterpillar's diet consists of leaves, specifically from the host plant where the egg was laid. As it grows, the caterpillar sheds its skin multiple times in a process called molting. Each molt reveals a larger and more developed caterpillar, inching closer to its next phase. This stage is crucial as the caterpillar must consume enough nutrients to sustain itself during the drastic transformation to come. Over a few weeks, the once tiny caterpillar becomes plump and strong, ready for the next step in its life cycle. Stage 3. The pupa, chrysalis. The transition from caterpillar to butterfly happens within the chrysalis, a protective casing formed during the pupa stage. Once the caterpillar has eaten enough and found a safe spot, it spins a silk pad and attaches itself, hanging upside down. Then it sheds its final skin, revealing the chrysalis beneath. Inside this seemingly lifeless shell, a remarkable process takes place. The caterpillar's body breaks down and reorganizes into a completely new form. Wings develop, antennae grow, and the caterpillar's digestive system transforms to suit its new diet of nectar. This stage can last from days to months, depending on the species and environmental factors like temperature. Stage 4. The adult butterfly. When the transformation is complete, the chrysalis cracks open and a butterfly emerges. Initially, its wings are soft and crumpled, but over the course of a few hours, they expand and harden. The butterfly then takes its first flight, a moment of triumph after weeks of transformation. As an adult, the butterfly focuses on reproduction and feeding. It sips nectar from flowers, playing a critical role in pollination. After finding a mate, the cycle begins anew, as eggs are laid, and the story starts over. The beauty of metamorphosis. The butterfly's life cycle is more than just a biological process. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. From a tiny egg to a fluttering adult, each stage represents growth and change. This journey captivates scientists, artists, and nature lovers alike, serving as a symbol of transformation and renewal. Next time you see a butterfly dancing through the air, take a moment to appreciate its journey. A journey that started with a tiny egg on a humble leaf and ended in a display of vibrant wings against the sky.